Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The anticipated Brabus Elegant Caravan for 2026 is a major advancement in the market for luxury recreational vehicles, perfectly combining cutting-edge automotive engineering with opulent mobile lifestyle, currently residing in the realm of speculative design and well-informed forecasts. This anticipated vehicle is poised to redefine caravanning standards by combining Brabus's well-known performance advancements with luxurious aesthetic sensibilities. The 2026 Brabus Elegant Caravan's exterior is expected to have a strong yet elegant appearance. The Caravan is anticipated to include aerodynamically enhanced bodywork, including custom front and rear fascias, discreetly integrated spoilers, and distinctive Brabus alloy wheels, all of which are modeled after Brabus's renowned Mercedes-Benz vehicle modifications. With unique accent stripes and badging that indicate its exclusive provenance, the color scheme would probably trend toward elegant, subtle tones. Intelligent, high-intensity lighting systems would be easily incorporated into the entire architecture for both safety and illumination. The 2026 Brabus Elegant Caravan would surely profit from Brabus's performance engineering know-how beneath the finely detailed facade. It is conceivable that Brabus might choose a high-end van chassis, possibly from Mercedes-Benz, as a basis, even though the base platform is still up for speculation. Powertrain improvements would be a defining feature, with higher horsepower and torque anticipated to aid acceleration and provide smooth cruising. In contrast to traditional caravans, improved braking systems and a precisely adjusted suspension, possibly with adaptive damping technology, would guarantee a comfortable yet dynamic driving experience. The full meaning of elegant would be shown in the interior of the 2026 Brabus Elegant Caravan. The best materials, such as soft leather upholstery, handcrafted wood veneers, and custom ambient lighting systems, would be used to carefully furnish the living area. The living, dining, and sleeping spaces would be thoughtfully planned to optimize space and comfort, with an emphasis on both practicality and visual appeal. Modern appliances that blend in perfectly with custom cabinets would outfit the Caravan for long trips where it could be left alone. High-end entertainment systems, sophisticated climate management, and extensive networking options would all improve the passenger experience. Additionally, state-of-the-art technologies would probably be incorporated into the 2026 Brabus Elegant Caravan to guarantee ease and security. Advanced entertainment and navigation systems, sophisticated driver assistance systems, and integrated smart home features that enable remote management of several onboard devices are a few examples of this. Every element, from the accuracy of the stitching to the seamless functioning of each fixture and fitting, would be emphasized in terms of quality and craftsmanship. To sum up, the 2026 Brabus Elegant Caravan offers an intriguing outlook on the development of opulent caravan travel. By skillfully combining luxurious design, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance engineering, for discriminating individuals who expect the highest standards of both automotive performance and recreational indulgence, this anticipated vehicle promises to provide an unmatched mobile living experience. Its debut would surely establish a new standard for sophistication and elegance in the caravan industry.